Hello, in front of me I have Honor 400, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup. Okay, so let's begin. We need to open up our WhatsApp first. Now we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner, and now we have a possibility to get access into the settings. Now find the chats, scroll down, click on the chat backup, and now in here we have a few things that we need to discuss. So below the Google account we have our Google account that we are currently logged into, and remember that on this account the WhatsApp backup will be made and stored. So for example, in the future, if you want to restore the backup, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see right in here on your device, of course. If you want to add another account, click right in here. Now simply wait. Now I need to draw my pattern. And now in here type your second email or phone number, or if you want, you can create a new account. Okay, below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option will be set on off, but as you can see we have also the daily, weekly, monthly, and only when I tap backup mode. So currently, for example, it's on the weekly. It means that each week the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. It's pretty comfortable and convenient option. I just don't need to remember about the backup. It's automatically made each week. Okay, below we have option to include the videos. I suggest you should turn it on. You can see below how many megabytes will be backupped. And on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on right in here, basically in here you can create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your backup. Remember that if you lose this password, you won't have a possibility to restore your backup. So if you choose to create it, don't forget it. Otherwise, you won't be able to restore your chats. Okay, and now once everything is selected, we need to click on this green button, backup. Now the process will start. In my case, it's not gonna take long because I don't have that many messages. Okay, the backup has been successfully made. You can see that above the backup button, we have the time when last backup was made. In my case, it was like 10 seconds ago. And below we can see its size. Okay, and that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.